Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make color changes and carry your color over with Tunisian crochet. I've made one row of knit stitches, and now let's pretend like my pattern says after every 5 stitches do a color change. So I've already got the first stitch on my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to pick up my new color and drop this color and get it ready. Insert my hook, yarn over with the new color, and pull through. Now I'm supposed to make 5 more pink stitches, so I'm picking my pink yarn back up, and I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, because for every 3 stitches I like to carry my yarn over. You can do more or less depending on your project or your pattern or however you feel. So now that I've done 3 stitches, I'm going to carry my gray yarn over. And this is how I do that. I pick up the gray yarn and I cross it over the pink yarn and pick my pink yarn back up. And now I'll just continue to make a stitch. And that kind of ties that down onto the back like that. I do this loosely too so that it doesn't pull on my stitches too much. So now 4 and 5 pink stitches. So now I'm going to insert my hook, drop my yarn, pick up my gray, yarn over, and pull through. Now I'm going to drop the gray again and pick up the pink, make 3 stitches, 2, 3, and then I'm going to cross over my yarns so that I carry my gray yarn over. So I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over and pull through, and that carries it over onto the back. So that was 4 and 5. So I'm going to make one more color change, insert my hook, drop the pink, pick up the gray, yarn over and pull through. Now I'm going to drop the gray, pick up the pink, yarn over and pull through my last stitch. Now that was the forward pass. To do the return pass, I'm going to yarn over once and draw through 1 loop. Now whenever you see that you have a different color in your second loop, you're going to use that color. So since I have gray on the right, I'm going to yarn over with gray and pull through the 2. Now since I have pink on the right, I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. And I carry my yarn every 3 stitches just like the forward pass. So that was 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to just cross the yarn over loosely, yarn over with my pink, and pull through 2. Now I have gray on the right, so I'm just going to pick up my gray and yarn over and pull through the 2. Back to pink, yarn over with pink and pull through the 2. And that's 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to cross my yarns over and carry that gray. Gray on the right again. Pick up my gray, yarn over, and I keep these pretty loose If I have to, I'll tug on them a little bit to make sure they're not tight and pulling on my stitches. So now pink's on the right again, so yarn over with pink and pull through. And that is how you make color changes with Tunisian crochet and how you carry the color over. And that is what the back looks like.